Hello, I'm djquandt, and this is my project for GIS 540. 2013 Raleigh Crime Analysis. The purpose of my project is to depict crime incidents in Raleigh for 2013. It's going to provide law enforcement officials with a map that depicts crime hotspots in the city to better allocate resources. That's the hope anyway. So the questions I'm trying to answer here are: how many crime incidents occurred in each police district? How many crime incidents were there per square mile in each police district? And I did this for violent crimes as well. The hope is that decision makers will have a better understanding of where most of the crime is happening with the use of this map. And then they can use the map to relocate some of the resources, maybe redraw some police beat boundaries, or if they have the funding, they could create police substations in crime hotspots or something to that effect. My components checklist for my code. My geoprocessing includes several tools: the select, clip, add field, calculate field, get count, excel to table, create address locator, kernel density, and extract by mask. The batch processing, I use several for loops on lists and dictionaries. I created a crime class that actually calculates the number of incidents per square mile. I can show that here. So here's my crime class with an init function, calculate incident per square mile, and then it reports it, and I'll print out while it's running in ArcMap. I'll show that in the next presentation. I added a progressor for my script tool, and we'll see that again in the next presentation. When I load my scripts into ArcMap, all my geoprocessing tasks will be automatically displayed. I use variables throughout most of my code, but there is some hard coding in there. I'll show a good example of variable use here. I created individual districts and used a variable for each one, created my list with those districts, and then I ran a for loop on that. Use of lists and dictionaries. Like I said before, I used several lists and dictionaries to conduct my batch processing and complete multiple related tasks. And that's an example here. On this list, I did an add field, calculate field, search cursor, clip analysis, and finally a get count. I lightly commented throughout the script to help a user better understand the functionality of the script and why I did what I did. Functions and modules. I had 2 modules with functions used in the main script, along with 3 functions in the main script. Magic numbers. All the numbers I have in my script are derived from this analysis here, this code. It gets the district, how many square miles are in each district, and then how many incidents are in the district, and then that's how I got this dictionary. Line continuation. I did utilize line continuation, especially here where I had a very long where clause, and then I used docstrings throughout in my functions. And finally, this will be the map that I'll display at the end of my analysis, showing the violent crime hotspots, specifically here in downtown and southeast Raleigh. That concludes presentation 1. Thank you very much.